Hey guys, today we are at Tiger Wheel and Tyre Hatfield, and exciting times. Today we're going to fit a Warn 12,000 pound synthetic rope winch to one of our vehicles. So guys, some of you don't know, this is one of the Rolls-Royce winches in the market. You can't get better than one of the Warn winches. If you're in the 4x4 industry, you know what you talk about, and if you say the name Warn, you know that's a Rolls-Royce winch of the market. So with my vehicle today, we can knock it out with a 12,000 VR Evo. And included with that, what we can add as well is a nice Factor 55 winch hook. That's something different from the normal ordinary that we're used to. So with the Factor 55, you've got a lot of options. When you winch it into place, you've got a nice little rubber that winches in place. You place your soft shackle and your normal rope there, and it's got a safety pin included. So this is all rated at 7.260 tons. It's one of the best in the world. You can't get better than that. You get it in two different colors. You get it in a gray and a nice red one. So today we can go for red. Tiger Wheel Tyre is definitely in a red color scheme, so we're going to stay with red. So we can knock it out on our winch, so on our Hilux, and we go from there.
A few moments later.
Guys, it's done, finally. We've got our Warn winch fitted, and we are prepared for the next best adventure that we can find. Thank you to Warn and Dave Jenkins and the team from Outdoor Connect, helping us getting this winch fitted to this vehicle. Thank you very much. I think we'll go far with this winch with no issues. So guys, just to wrap it up, we fitted a Ultra Hook Factor 55 hook, which is really a nice thing to have. A lot of times when you fit an old conventional hook, which is still strong, it does the job. But what's nice feature about this little hook is when you basically roll it back into your horse fair lead, there's always untidy underneath. And with this new one, it's got a nice rubber block to it, so when you pull it in, it pulls it nice and tight, and it is always secured. There's no rattles, and it looks professional at all times. You can use a soft shackle, your normal conventional tow rope, you can put it in there, your little clip there with a safety pin that you can put out there. So this is an awesome little tow hook, really a nice added benefit for your winch. Guys, just to mention is, your Warn winch is now also standard issue with a wireless function. So by just pressing one button, you've got a little light there coming on, and you can winch this winch out via remote or wireless, or all one package, all included, no cables needed. You do get your cable though included. If something had to go wrong, your battery gets flat or something like that, you always have a backup. So yeah guys, our winch is fitted, 12,000 pounds VR Evo, a Warn winch. Yeah, next adventure. And this is available at Tiger Wheel and Tyre Wheel nationwide. Check our website, www.twt.co.za, for a store near you.